come in here.
Does this phone work?
What are you doing?
Damn it, Cheryl. You know as well as I do, in about 30 minutes, 20,000 of those church-going fans are going to be puking up their vital organs, and it's not going to be pretty.
Whoa, who are you guys?
Center for Disease Control.
You see, this man, most recently, was bitten by a monkey at our facility.
My God, I wish there was somewhere we could warn these poor, innocent people.
What's your name, son?
Rusty.
Rusty! Have you ever dreamed of being a hero? Have you, Rusty?
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Joe?
There is no need for alarm. But if the individual pictured on the screen above you
Nice job, Rusty.
is sitting anywhere near you, please get up and walk away from him in a calm, orderly fashion. He may be a carrier of the deadly Ebola virus.
God damn you two!
Hey, I'm clean. That's him.
Shoot him! No, wait! Don't shoot him! Don't shoot him! I need to serve him! I need to serve him! Somebody shoot him!
Hold it!
Oh, boy.
How do you do this?
Oh, this is gonna be ugly.